automatically generates sequence of operations. Visual Controls feature a powerful automation tool that seamlessly generates a sequence of operations with ease. Before using this feature, ensure your project is fully designed, with all rooms accurately drawn and properly named. The automation tool for generating sequences of operations is in two places within Visual Controls. First, find it under the Automation tab on the top ribbon. The second location is in the Sequence of Operations table menu, located in the left menu tree. At the top, under the Advanced section, click the Generate button. Use the drop-down arrow to access various options. The first option, by device capability, groups room names into a single row in the matrix table based on shared products. For example, private office and huddle spaces with identical devices will appear in the same row. Note that this option can become cluttered if multiple rooms with the same products and sequences are grouped together. The second option, by similar room name, groups rooms with similar names into a single row in the matrix. For example, Classroom 101, Classroom 102, and Classroom 103 will appear as one classroom row in the Sequence of Operations matrix. The third option, per unique room, creates a separate matrix row for each unique room name in your Visual Controls project. For larger projects, this can result in a lengthy Sequence of Operations matrix, potentially spanning multiple pages in your PDF deliverable. The remaining options in the Generate drop-down menu are preloaded in Visual Controls, tailored to various energy codes and formatted to align with Acuity Brands' Nlight application guides, available on the website. That's all for this tutorial. Explore our full library of Visual Controls tutorial videos for more tips and insights. Thank you for watching.